The zero crashes part of GM's mission is really special to me because it's been a focus of my whole career, trying to deploy systems that can help reduce crashes, reduce injuries, reduce property damage for our customers and society as a whole. We work with third parties, such as the University of Michigan Transportation Research Institute.
𝗠𝗏 has actually been around for a little over 50 years. Southeast Michigan auto companies decided that it was important to have independent research on automotive safety, mostly at the time, but transportation safety more broadly.
So what we did in the study was essentially compare vehicles with a safety system to vehicles without a safety system. So we had to look at over 3.7 million VINs, match them to police reports in 10 different states, and then 𝗠𝗏 went ahead and conducted a very sophisticated statistical analysis to determine how effective each of these systems were.
The more automated this vehicle system, the better it worked. So you have the opportunity for the driver to respond to the warning, and if they don't, then the car takes action. And so we see a sort of improvement in effectiveness as you go down towards greater automation.
Front automatic braking is reducing nearly half of rear-end crashes. And rear automatic braking, which comes with a variety of backing systems, is reducing about 80% of all backing crashes. Those are some big numbers.
Systems that we can put on cars are actually saving lives now and will be the main driver for safety in the next few years.
We're well on our way to the zero crashes vision with technology we have out in the field today.